have so much to pack. Jeez. What to throw away, what to keep. Okay, back to the list. Yay. I feel like I've done a lot of work. There's stuff in the way. There's things moved about. But this is what I've gotten done so far. 3 boxes. Oh God. Railroad ties from New Orleans. I'll never get rid of these. "20 years ago, I made my own massage oil. And this is the last bottle I have of it. Never let go." Okay, what else do I get to mark off my list? Altar. Yay. Whew. Altar's packed. A few candles I'm going to leave out. Now time to pack something else. I finally tossed out all my dried up old tubes of paint that I've held on forever, and I really don't know why. I've cleaned my brushes, and I'm trying to take care of them because brushes are expensive. Frankly, I'm a little surprised at how much good paint I have left, and how much art supplies I still have. I haven't used it in forever, and I haven't looked at it forever, and I just assumed that I didn't have any paint left, but I do. I love listening to music and watching videos on YouTube. Valerie June and Elle King. Oh my god, totally awesome. I don't know why Elle King hasn't made it big yet. She should. She's just fabulous. My skulls mean the world to me. Some are from New Mexico, and I have a couple from Mexico from a road trip. I'll never get rid of them. It's just some things at my age I'm just not going to get rid of. I'll never be a minimalist. I don't know. These I found at a garage sale, and the rosewater dispensary set. Okay, more shit to go through. What do I need? If I haven't touched it in a year, I most likely don't need it. I should just throw it all away, but I'm going to go through it. Okay, what have we got? Got this one done. Yay! Such a lady. Oh my god. I don't know how many times you've moved in your life, but being a renter, I've moved my whole life. And in the last, I've just moved a lot in the last few years. And each time I've just thrown stuff in a box, taped it up, and tossed it out to my son into the van or truck or whatever. And this time I'm not doing that. I am actually going through stuff and throwing it out. I'm donating a lot of stuff to Goodwill, and I have an issue with that, but time's not on my side, and we are in coronavirus times, and there's nowhere else to donate it. Anyway, the stuff that I'm taking to a landfill, I don't really feel that guilty about because I drive an electrical car, and so I think it kind of evens itself out. Yeah. So, I'm going to breathe, I'm going to relax for a while, and then I'll get back to doing this tomorrow. I think 3 hours a day is plenty enough work. Bye.